Good evening, everybody. We are late again, but that's okay. Just wanted to get out a video out tonight. Lots of things going on out here, trying to get certain things done. Recalibrated the mount, recalibrated a bunch of things outside. But we're good now. We're good to go out there. Now it's just a matter of just getting this to be done. We're heading on the south step now. Let me share this on my page now. So tonight we have a short session planned, not too long. With the moon being about 70% full, not much I can really do for deep sky imaging. Mostly it's just going to be short exposures tonight, and we're going to be going for star clusters. So if you're a star cluster kind of person, tonight's your night. Actually, probably the next week will be for you. Still not ready yet for lunar imaging. We're almost there. The lens, I have to order one myself, so I'll have to figure out a way. I got to get a model number. I got to get a whole bunch of stuff. But I was hoping to get the lens by this week, but not looking to be what I wanted. So, tonight, the first one we're going to get is what's called NGC 869. And we're just going to do short exposures with this one. We're not going to do super long exposures. So we'll do 480 and 360. With the moon being out, it's going to probably affect guiding. Maybe not. It all depends. It depends on certain spots that you're imaging in the night sky. And with star clusters, you typically don't want to go too much in exposure because there's no nebula, there's no galaxies, it's just star clusters. So your goal is to get as pinpoint stars as possible. So we're going to shoot quick images, and we're going to get a bunch of them. So I'm hoping we can get about, I would say, 10 to 15 of these, and we should be in good shape. But guiding is not all that bad. Get this out of the way. There we go. 0.43. That's not too terrible. And there is some high-level clouds. There's not much we can really do. There was clouds in all parts of the sky, and then again, there's not much we can really do tonight. I just wanted to at least get out here and at least get some exposures with this. And what this one's called is, the actual name of it is the double cluster. And I actually took a quick exposure of this. This is what it looks like. This was, I think, a 60-second image. I think it was like a 50 to 60-second image of the double cluster. So you have one cluster which is right there, and then you got one which is right there. It is an amazing cluster once you get it processed, if you get long enough exposures. But again, I'm not doing 20, not doing 30 or 40 minutes. 5 to 6 minutes is more than enough you're going to get, and the stars are just going to pop, and the color is going to be so vibrant. I mean, if I look at this close up, and you can see the actual color difference in all these stars. So you're going to have an orange star. So that's not bad. There you go. You can really see the difference between an orange star and a white star. And then even up here too. So that's going to turn out really well if I can get a bunch of these. So new things that I've been putting up on here. I'm still working on the comment section and trying to figure out how to do that. So the bottom left is me. The bottom right is the guiding center. And you'll still get the time, which I have blocked. There we go. You'll still get the time on the bottom right, which is awesome. And then at the top right, you have the sky coverage. And that's going to stay constant. so you'll be able to see what my sky looks like. So then you'll be like, there's a cloud coming, there's another cloud coming. So you'll be able to see it in real time, which is great. And then I'll, put it between 5 and 10 seconds, and then you'll be able to see the stars coming, or the clouds coming, or whatever it may be. Or if it's a pristine night, you won't see anything at all. And eventually, at the top left, you'll be able to see my actual, process, the actual setup outside, eventually. And I'd like to get, I don't know if I'm going to do it yet, but I'd like to get a night vision camera where you can actually see the actual mountain setup in real time where it's dark. And that'd be super cool, but I'll get to it eventually. What I'll do is I'll bring that there. Bring that one out. The focus looked pretty good. This image was taken unguided, and it was about a minute. So it was unguided, so you can see that the stars are a little bit meh, but not terrible. There is some clouds coming. Hoping we can get this image before the clouds really start to mess this up, and I am doubting no. We'll see. It looks like the clouds are coming in now. I think I've waited too long. I wanted to get it, but there were clouds, and then all of a sudden we had a breaking point, so I was like, alright, let's do it. And not looking so good. By the way, I got a haircut. I don't know if anybody noticed that, but it was finally time. I think I definitely needed it. So, my hair is gone. Just about. So I'm definitely happy about that. Even through all the clouds, it's still guiding at 0.5. It's not terrible. This one to the left, this one to the right. We'll see what it turns out to be. I don't know. I don't know. Not bad. Not a bad 6-minute image at all. You could definitely tell the difference between star colors. Big time. That's definitely a red, like an orangish star. And that's definitely a white star. Let's check the whole view. Whoa, too far out. Too far out. That's not bad. There we go. We'll keep it just like that, because then you'll be able to see the double cluster as is. Actually, check that. We'll go 0.5. 0.5 will give us a little bit further out, so you'll be able to see it. Right there. That's perfect, right there. So then we'll be able to see it, and we'll get a few of them. I can't see the cloud coverage, so I don't know how good it is. My guess is it's pretty cloudy. Just a little bit. Just a little. I could see it. There's, whew boy, there's lots of clouds there. Yeah, we're still shooting through these clouds. It's unbelievable. We need the cloud filter. Boy, that would be amazing if we can get that. That would be phenomenal. There. It's downloading this image. Well, that's not bad. Oh, we missed it on the side. We did it again. God, why do I do that? Boy, I'm bad with this camera. We missed it by an inch. I thought every single time I always do that, it's shooting right here. Every single time I miss it. Oh well. Still a pretty cool image. And guiding is still fairly decent. It's not terrible. Shooting through the clouds. We're going to try to get as much color as we can out of this image, which is really nice. And again, we'll only be out here for just a little bit longer, just long enough so I can get this together and at least get something, because it was supposed to be clear Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Monday it rained. Tuesday was and then today was borderline thing. So I don't know what the next few nights are going to be. I'm hoping clear, but I don't think it is. I think the next clear night, I think, is Saturday. Yeah, there's so many high haze clouds, it's not looking too good. That's okay, because what we could do is, while we're imaging, we can pull up and check. I don't know if I put M31 from the last image session or what I did with it. Here they are. Okay. What I can do is, while we're waiting, maybe the clouds might disappear. Who knows? We're going to batch these. We're going to see what we're going to get here. May not be perfect, but we got 11 of them, so we should get something. Although some of these images didn't turn out that well. Oh, the light just turned off. That'll help a little bit. Well, that image finished. I just heard a click. So we'll see what the stars do while this is going on at the same time. Yeah, you could tell. The stars got a little dimmer. So my guess is that, yeah, clouds are definitely affecting the actual stars themselves. Let me minimize this for a second here and pull up Deep Sky Stacker here. We're not going to do any flats or darks or anything or biases. I just want to see solely what this will look like just out of the box. Just want to see what we get. Oh yeah, forgot. Let me start at the beginning get here. Whoa, okay, we got way too many. $227. Got it down a little bit. 182, so we need to bring this way up. This could probably get us close to 60 to 80. Mm, 93. That's not bad. You can try that and see what that does. Now it's going to register the 11 and then stack the 11. How's this one doing? A bit of time. Guiding's bouncing because of the clouds. clouds everywhere. Not much we can do. At least fiddle around with the images that I took the last session. And see at least what we got. Now, of course, this is probably something that I shouldn't be doing, because I took M31 one night and then took M31 another night, and this was between me cleaning the refractor. So one was with a dirty refractor, the other one was with a clean refractor. So I don't know how good this is going to turn out. I did look at the preliminary image, as you saw on the last broadcast. And the preliminary one looked pretty good, and it didn't look all that bad. So it's going to stack 5 out of the 11. Now, of course, there's a few of them on there that were only like 10 seconds or 20 seconds, just because I was ending the sessions or whatever it may be. And some of them just looked like just crap. So I'm not even going to worry about those. So 5 out of the 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 1080, 1080, 12, 12, so 20, 40, 58. So this is about an hour and 20, hour and 30 minute total time. So that's not terrible. So we should be able to get the outside rim of it, of the actual galaxy, I'm hoping. So let's see. There is data, so that's good. There's data for the colors. Yeah. Perfect. Right about there. Bring that down to about 5. Bring the highlights up a little bit and go. Yeah, we definitely nailed it. Yeah, we definitely got it. With darks and flats, this would make it a more smooth image. If I do like 4, it's gonna make it super grainy. That's not what I want to do. So we'll probably do it at 7. 7 makes it a little bit easier. So I can process the rest of it out. There we go. I heard it click. Stars are probably going to go bye-bye on that one, I can guarantee it. Oh no, they didn't move, and the stars look good. Okay. Alright. Keep going. Alright, so we're going to save that one as M0031, because I'm sure I have a bunch of M31s on this. Save it to the desktop. We could try to process it now while we are waiting. There we go. Okay, we're cropping it just a little bit out on that. First, we're going to do HLVG, medium. There we go. Get rid of the green on the green hue from that. Gradient exterminator. Whoa, too much. Way too much on that. That's better. That's much better. Okay, first we're gonna make the stars smaller. Yeah, there was a lot of drift with some of these. Ooh, that does not look so good. I may have to go through those individually. Wow. Some of those stars look like eggs. Oof. Well, the actual nebula, the actual galaxy, we'll see what they look like. There might be a couple that were bad that night. Didn't turn out bad at all. I mean, that's not bad at all. I mean, I have some darks and some flats, so I'll be able to process this with the darks and the flats, but that's not bad. For this only being an hour and like 10 minutes, that is not bad at all. And what I'll do is I'll go through most of the exposures. This, again, was a quick little, just to see how it actually turned out, and I'm pretty impressed. And you get it right from end to end, and then from here to there. I could definitely work with this. I can definitely work with this. What do we stand for clouds? Well, I can't. Oh, there we go. Yeesh. Still not all that great. Got a lot darker. Okay, well that's not bad. Not bad. Alright, we'll see what this is. Clouds are still probably going to get in its way, but that's alright. Well, that's a lot better. A lot brighter. Alright, well, again, this was just a quick mini episode just to show something with a double cluster, NGC 689, or 869, I'm sorry. So, yeah. I'm going to end the broadcast now. But I want to thank everybody for watching, and have a great night. Bye.